I tried Vasco's workout routine for 1 week. I noticed that some people think, yeah, it's worthless, it's not useless, but I personally think it is worthless. Not, it is good, and it is fastest way. Vasco's workout routine is not for building your muscle and your body building in a kind of way. It is for best for building your stamina, your abs, and your lower body. I tried Vasco's routine from beginning, and I also wanna recommend you to do this workout. But I'm not doing exact same because it's not obvious. I'm beginner, so I just do 30 push-ups, 30 squats, 30 sit-ups, and a 10 kilometer run. So it's my limits. So I can say that I don't want to recommend you to do the same, but do according to your limits. On first day, you will test your limits and test how much can you do maximum, and do it for 1 week. Will in 1 week or 2 or 3. I don't know, everyone's different body. So 2 or 3 weeks you are going to see results. You are going to see your stamina, strength, and abs and lower bodies are going skyrocketing. It's boosting because I tried and I researched a lot of things to build abs and lower body, but none of them work for very well for me. It's a lot of time consuming. So I tried Vascos for just a fun, but it's great because it is boosting my abs and lower body and stamina, strength, and the fact is I just can't even doing exact same. Just think about it. I What if I did exact same like him? In webtoon, it is a webtoon. It's a character of webtoon called Lookism. So he's in Lookism. They even mention one time he doesn't do exact means he did 100 push-ups, 100 sit-ups, 100 squats, and 10 kilometer run like One Punch Man. But they also mention he do also different kind of workouts like in 56 or 55 episode they mention he is doing double bar push-ups or double bar something like that. I doesn't even remember. So I recommend you to do Vasco's workout routine and also build your body with other kind of workouts like calisthenics, cardios, and you are going to see. And he also tells that your body will not betray your effort. And make sure you can't and you don't eat junk food and you eat good and healthy food. So your body will grow faster than you think. Yeah, that's for all. I also make a video on how to make big arm like me, my training for arm. So you can also check it out.